Oh guys, I just got another scanner to repair. It's the same thing as what I had here, the BC-75xlt. But this scanner has had a rough old life. Apparently it took a swim, and according to the owner of the scanner, it doesn't seem to be working properly. One thing I can see is the display. It's not 100% as it should. As I remember, back when I had my display messed up, I figured out how to fix mine. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with this one as what I did with mine. I got it working. See if we can get the display working properly again. But I'm just going to try reading from this scanner right now and just see if the COM port or the USB part of the scanner is working. So this is the BC-75xlt SS programming software for this scanner. Let's see, read scanner, it's reading, it's a good sign. All the frequencies are over here all listed. Alright, let's see if I can program this back into the scanner. Make sure it's working both ways. There we go. So the scanner is receiving and transmitting data properly through the USB COM port, which is good. So all I gotta do is get to see if I can get the LCD sorted out and see what happens. Like I say, I gotta heat up the ribbon cable so the adhesive reattaches to the circuit board again. And this one was Uniden 2012. Anyways, stand by. Let's see if we can get this LCD back. LCD. This here's the ribbon cable where it's supposed to attach down. So basically, you flatten this out the best you can, and right along the center of your screen where it bubbled up there, take your solder iron, really low heat, and go back and forth. And that just reattaches the well, gives better adhesive contact, I guess. Conductivity to the copper pads is here. So we're going to go ahead and reset it again with the solder iron. Same as what I had to do with mine, exact same thing. And like I said, run it back and forth along here. And that will usually fix the LCD problem. And there is one modification I want to do with mine, not with this one, but there is a mod I want to do with mine, and that's when you turn on the backlight, that'll stay on. That I want to do with my scanner, but we'll get to that later. Anyways, let's see what the LCD was like before. Let's heat this up and see if we can get the LCD back. Well, I tried reattaching the ribbon cable to the LCD, but managed to get a couple of segments to come back. But for the majority of it, the LCD is either damaged or the processor, the CPU. Some of the voltages this feeds individual segments. Processor may not be actually sending it to the LCD, and in which case segments won't even light up. Right now, this is an LCD test, which every segment, every number, every digit should show up here. And as you can see, over these, I say good 50 to 60%, well, let's say 60% is there, 40% of the LCD is missing. So we got backlight. So we go hold, scan, search, lockout, enter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, So its processor is seeing the everything, but she's not displaying it properly, as you can see. So the scanner's working. It's just the LCD is had to be replaced. I don't even know if you can get a replacement LCD from Uniden. I suppose you can, but that's how she sits. Unfortunately, this is one LCD that's not going to come back from the dead. Anyways, that's the Uniden Bearcat BC-75xlt with a LCD problem. Here's mine, and that's theirs. So as you can tell, it is receiving. I put on the weather frequency on channel 300. I just put it on there.
À 15h30 le samedi 8 octobre pour ce soir.
Scanner's receiving. It's just the LCD is not working properly. Anyways, take it easy. And if there's anywhere else with the scanner, I'll update you. But as she sits there now, I don't think there's any hope for that LCD. Anyway, take it easy.